Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla employee headcount balloons in 2022, countering tech sector layoffs. Tesla installs heavy-duty Sacmi machines at Gigafactory Texas cathode building. Tesla is the best brand at stealing customers and keeping them for a long time. And Tesla offers new $3,000 discount or free supercharging with trade-ins, slashing prices further. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Tesla's employee headcount grew by 23% in 2022, while other tech companies eliminated positions due to economic conditions. In 2022, layoffs hit the tech sector hard as companies like Google, Twitter, Meta, and others eliminated employees to save money, with the threat of a recession looming. Tesla was one of those companies, but its headcount was reduced by removing unnecessary full-time corporate positions and some remote workers. Many media outlets reported that Tesla would slash its employee headcount by as much as 10%, but the automaker had plans to increase its hourly employees in manufacturing. CEO Elon Musk said in an email to employees last year that 10% of salaried positions would be eliminated as we have become overstaffed in many areas. Musk added that the reduction does not apply to anyone building cars, battery packs, or installing solar. Hourly headcount will increase. However, some employees were let go due to the cuts, leaving Tesla in hot water. Tesla shed more detail on its employee headcount in 2022 through its 10-K filed with the SEC, which was released recently. The automaker finished 2022 with a full-time headcount of 127,855 employees globally, an increase of 28,565 employees. As of December 31, 2022, our full-time count for our and our subsidiaries' employees worldwide was 127,855, a 29,000 year-over-year increase, Tesla said. At the end of 2021, Tesla said it had 99,290 employees, up from 70,757 in 2020. Tesla has routinely increased its number of employees to keep up with its growing impact on the automotive and energy sectors. Manufacturing is arguably the most important piece of Tesla's daily tasks, and the company is constantly hiring new employees to keep up with increased vehicle production rates. After delivering 1.3 million vehicles last year, Tesla has its sights set on figures of at least 1.8 million in 2023, with Musk recently indicating that potential volume is near 2 million cars. It is imperative that Tesla continue to ramp manufacturing to reach these goals, and more employees will need to contribute to the effort as production ramps at facilities like Gigafactory Texas. Tesla's largest employers are its Gigafactory facilities, and Gigafactory Texas could be the largest contributor to headcount growth over the coming years. The factory is still in the process of expanding, and Musk has hinted that as many as 20,000 people could eventually work at the Austin plant. Moving to the next update, Tesla installs heavy-duty Sacmi machines at Gigafactory Texas cathode building. It appears that Tesla's 4680 battery facility in Gigafactory Texas is receiving some crucial heavy-duty equipment for the production of the company's next-generation cells. This was hinted at by the delivery and installation of large heavy-duty machinery from Sacmi at Giga Texas cathode building. Back in October, avid Tesla Giga Texas watchers retrieved documentation of a shipment from Italy heading to the United States. The shipment was from Sacmi, a company that makes heavy-duty industrial equipment. It was heavy too, weighing in at 334,000 pounds. At the time, speculations were high that the equipment was intended for Cybertruck production. Aerial images from drone operator Joe Tegmeyer revealed that the equipment Tesla watchers tracked in October was delivered to Gigafactory Texas cathode building instead. An image of the presses being installed in Giga Texas battery cathode structure has recently been shared online. At the time the image was taken, one press seemed to have been installed while another was still being set up. It remains to be seen what the Sacmi presses would be used for in Giga Texas cathode building, though speculations are high that the machines would be used for the production of 4680 cells. This is quite an interesting thought, as Sacmi also has a section on its official website that's specifically dedicated to lithium-ion battery powder treatment systems for cathode and anode materials. Citing sources reportedly familiar with the matter, Tesla enthusiast and Giga Texas watcher Greg mentioned on the Cybertruck Owners Forum that the Sacmi presses being installed in the cathode facility are actually larger than what Tesla needed. However, Tesla reportedly opted to acquire the machines anyway so that they could be delivered as quickly as possible. Tesla's 4680 battery cell ramp is expected to usher in a new generation of products for the electric vehicle maker. The cells are optimized for production efficiency, allowing Tesla to produce large numbers of vehicles and other sustainable products. Tesla has also highlighted that while it is hard at work ramping its 4680 efforts, it would still need help from its battery suppliers for the foreseeable future. Tesla suppliers such as Panasonic are currently engaged in the development and production of 4680 cells, with the company setting up a facility in Kansas that's expected to provide batteries to Giga Texas. Moving to the next update, Tesla is the best brand at stealing customers and keeping them for a long time. Tesla is still a relatively young car maker, but it is already competing in the market against veteran and mainstream automakers. But even among the world's biggest car manufacturers, Tesla appears to have a very particular strength. It's not only great at retaining its customers, it's also excellent at stealing and keeping buyers from other car makers. As per S&P Global, car buyers can be classified into 3 groups based on their loyalty: super loyalists, loyalists, and nomads. Super loyalists have a history of repeatedly purchasing from the same car brand and are the most likely to continue doing so. Loyalists have made repeat purchases over their buying history, and nomads have no recognizable loyalty to any brand and are more likely to switch. American-based data from S&P Global has revealed that Tesla stands far ahead of other car makers when it comes to retaining its customers. As per the firm's data, over 80% of Tesla owners are nomads that are new to the company. This is not surprising at all, since the car maker is a new player in the industry. It does, however, hint that a lot of car buyers are looking to electric cars as alternatives for their combustion-powered vehicles. But what truly sets Tesla apart from the competition is its one-and-done rate, which refers to the number of buyers owning a brand of vehicle and leaving it. In the 12 months ending July 2022, about 58% of nomad car buyers in the United States left their vehicle brand, the highest one-and-done rate in the last 10 years. Tesla's one-and-done rate, however, stands at just 39%, which means that about 60% of the company's customers will probably replace their existing electric car with another Tesla. While Tesla's high share of first-time owners at 83% isn't too surprising, but their ability to keep those new customers is extraordinary. Moving to the last update, Tesla offers new $3,000 discount or free supercharging with trade-ins, slashing prices further. Tesla is now offering additional discounts or free supercharging incentives with the purchase of new Model S and Model X vehicles, but the automaker is requiring owners to trade in an existing car. Tesla has gotten off to a fast start in 2023 with substantial price cuts that, when coupled with government incentives, can discount vehicles by roughly $20,000 on qualifying vehicles. As we reported recently, Tesla seems focused on pushing sales figures up earlier in the quarter, opting for an earlier strategy as opposed to the end-of-quarter pushes that it has utilized in the past. Now Tesla is taking it a step further as the company is reaching out to some current owners, attempting to woo them to purchase a new vehicle with a $3,000 discount or 3 years of free supercharging as long as they trade in their Tesla. Several owners who recently inquired with Tesla to purchase new vehicles through trade-in value requests or test drives have received follow-up phone calls from an ownership loyalty team member offering either a discount or free supercharging. These discounts are being offered on top of the recent price cuts, which have decreased prices by as much as $13,000. In an email to a customer, Tesla representatives said, the options of $3,000 credit of a new Tesla or 3 years of free supercharger miles, whichever you prefer, are available on trade-ins as long as the order is placed soon. It expires in February, but Tesla didn't specify the exact date. The representative also stated it was an opportunity to upgrade to a new vehicle while renewing its warranty. Owners offered the promotion were told they were required to trade in an existing vehicle. We received confirmation of the offer by a member of Tesla's ownership loyalty program team. Tesla is not including the Model 3 and Model Y in this promotion, the company confirmed. The promotion is being called an ownership loyalty offer, which could hint that Tesla is trying to keep current owners with the company instead of testing other EV options. Tesla is evidently attempting to push more vehicles out the door at a pace quicker than ever before, and it is offering additional discounts to convince buyers to do so. The offer of free supercharging has also been used in the past by Tesla to encourage sales of new vehicles. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.